and Mentor Productions.
Magandang gabi po. Paumanhin na po at ako'y hindi pa nakapag-adjust sa 2 taon na 3 ng anak ko. May maliit pong supling na humahabol kanina at hindi po maaaring dalhin dito. Nais ko lamang po magpasalamat sa bumubuo ng PMPC Star Awards for movies. Nothing makes me even happier than to see all the familiar faces po tonight. And I really wanted to make it here to give honor not only for our movie, My Father, Myself, but also the people who work tirelessly behind the camera. Maraming salamat po sa karangalan na ito. I'd like to share this to our